bullets. We have to depend on security and on videos. And we should not have to lock ourselves in our homes behind doors. We should not have to move 30 miles outside of the center of the city because we're afraid to go to gas stations, because we're afraid to go into certain neighborhoods. But we should be able to take authority over our neighborhood. And if peace reigns in the land, we can go anywhere. If peace reigns in the land, we can take bars up our windows. If peace reigns in the land, we can put our guns up. If peace
We're here to protect the weak. We are here to protect the weak.
Then we can have picnics instead of funerals. If peace reigns in the land, then we can have brothers and sisters holding hands, walking hand in hand together. So we call today for the beloved community of Dr. Martin Luther King. As he lived, as he marched, and as he died. We call him the beloved community of Dr. Martin Luther King. As he gave his life, as he was gunned down, even he was gunned down by an assassin's bullet. We speak now, we usher in the beloved community of Dr. Martin Luther King. And he said, I have a dream that one day there would be peace. He said, I have a dream that one day there wouldn't be violence in the land. I have a dream that one day we would not have to have funerals, but we would see futures. I have a dream that we would raise up a nation of people who can have their doors open. We can restore the neighbor back in the neighborhood. I have a dream. And so today we come to resurrect